In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Adobe Sign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Adobe Sign or looking to streamline your digital signing process, this guide will walk you through each step effortlessly. Let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and searching for Adobe Sign in the search bar. This will lead you to the Adobe website, where you can explore various options available for their digital signing services. Once you're on the page, look out for the free trial option. This is where you can try out Adobe Sign without any immediate financial commitment, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be asked to choose which plan you'd like to try. Adobe offers a variety of plans tailored to different needs, so take a moment to consider which one aligns best with yours. Don't worry too much, as you can explore the details further in the trial period before making any final decisions. Afterward, you will need to add your payment details. Rest assured, no charges will be made to your account unless you decide to keep the service beyond the trial period and haven't canceled it by then. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password for your new Adobe account. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password, as this will help protect your sensitive documents and information. Once you've done that, click on Complete Account to finalize this process. At this point, a file will automatically download to your computer. This file is necessary if you decide to install and use Adobe Sign directly from your desktop. However, if you prefer working directly from your browser, you're good to go without any additional installation steps. With everything set up, you should now look for Adobe Acrobat within your Adobe Sign account. Once you locate it, click on Explore. This area of the platform is where you'll find the majority of Adobe Sign's powerful features. Now that you're inside, a whole new world of options is at your fingertips. You can edit text and images within PDFs, export them in various formats, combine multiple files into a single document, request e-signatures, organize pages, and so much more. Each of these tools has been designed to make your digital document process as seamless as possible. So, feel free to explore each feature at your own pace and discover all the ways Adobe Sign can assist you in managing your documents efficiently. That's it. You've successfully set up Adobe Sign in just a few moments, and you're ready to start signing and sending documents with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and happy signing!